I'm just gonna do another round because that was only 13 minutes. Since we've already done a round on stimulation and mixed mode, I'm just going straight into expression mode for the second round because I don't need to like warm it back up. So good. It's been another 20 minutes. I lost track of time, honestly. We have a total of 16 ounces, so I will bag this up since I already have a bottle made for Scotty's next feeding. And these are going in the fridge for the day. We're just trying to make our lives a little bit easier as pumping moms because we're doing this around the clock. We don't get to stop.